So for the last part of chapter 9, or lesson 9, you're going to be using sequence 08 Basic 3D. So go ahead and open that one. And what we're going to be looking at is this 3D basic effect. And that, of course, can be found in your effects panel. It's a video effect. And under perspective, you find 3D basic. This here can be clicked and drug right onto your clip. Right now, you can see that this top clip is scaled down to 65%, and that's kind of to help show what the 3D Basic's doing. And if you're wondering what 3D Basic is, if you've ever gotten into the compositing world or 3D modeling, this is the very basic rudimentary part of it in Adobe Premiere. Swivel is your x-axis, so that is going to turn it on the x-axis. Your tilt is your y-axis, so that's going to spin it top to bottom. And then distance to the image is your z-axis, so that's your space of like how far away the 3D object is from the camera. So I'm going to go ahead and monkey with those slightly here so you can see distance to image because they didn't do anything with it. When I drag it to a higher number, it moves it back further into the 3D space. And if I come forward, I can actually bump it out. That's a technique that's used in 3D movies to create that jar or startle effect. When you see stuff come at the camera, they're actually pushing it past the lens. So that's kind of a neat little thing to check out. And we're going to reset that back to where it was. So remember, distance to image is Z, tilt is Y, and swivel is X. So that's your basic understanding of how those affect. Let's go ahead and look at what they've done. So I play this, you can see it's kind of doing a little bit of swivel, a little bit of tilt, and notice that there's this light traveling on it. And that's because the light is being affected. It shows here, show specular highlight. That's what this light is. And as the image moves, it's going to move on to the image in a different spot as well. So it's a way to add lighting to it. One of the ways that this could be utilized in real life is if you had some 3D text, you could add this specular highlight, which would kind of help with the camera positioning to help sell that you have directional lighting. It's just a little bit of a way to make it fancier. So that's what this one is doing. We're just kind of looking at how that basic 3D tool worked. So you can go in there and monkey with these settings and see how it adjusts, but that's the basic 3D effect for you.